Let's see how we draw the atomic structure of aluminium. So first, you're going to check on the periodic table. You find the number of protons for aluminium. So it's the small number. So aluminium has 13 electrons. So this means that in the first shell, you're going to have 2 electrons, second shell, 8 electrons, third shell, 3 electrons. Please remember, this is in group 3, so outermost electrons will be, you have 3 outermost electrons. So in the outermost shell, the valence shell, you'll have 3 electrons. So group 3, 3 outermost electrons. And then we have oxygen. Oxygen has 8 electrons. Number of electrons is always the small number. Alright, and you're expected to be able to draw the structure of the atom from element 1 to element 20. So 2 and 6. And if you look at oxygen, it's in group 6, therefore 6 outermost electrons. So let's draw this. So aluminium, first shell, second shell, and third shell. Like this. And then oxygen, you're going to have 1 and 2 shells. Right, so this is the structure for aluminium and oxygen. And then dot and cross diagram showing the bonding in aluminium oxide show only outermost electrons. So aluminium is going to lose electrons because it's the metal. So Al, metal, will lose electrons. Oxygen is the non-metal, it's going to gain electron. Aluminium has valency 3, therefore it's going to lose 3 electrons. Oxygen has valency 2, therefore it's going to gain 2 electrons. Okay, so let's draw this. Aluminium having lost 3 electrons, so these 3 will be gone. So once these 3 electrons are lost, you're left with this outermost shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have a complete octet, Al3+. Okay, and then you have oxygen, which is going to gain 2 electrons. So oxygen is going to gain 2 electrons. So these are the electrons that oxygen already have. Then it's going to gain 2 electrons coming from aluminium. 2 electrons. And then the charge, because it has gained 2 electrons, so it's going to be 2 minus. Okay? Now you have to pay attention to the formula. Aluminium oxide is Al2O3. So there's going to be 2 aluminium and there's going to be 3 oxygen. So this is the dot and cross diagram for the ionic bonding.